I welcome all of you once again to my class. I hope all are keeping fine. So today I am going to take the fourth lesson of Standard 2. I am dealing with ICSE syllabus Cordoba Publications. Please like, share and please subscribe to my channel if you like to hear my further chapters from this textbook. Now let's go to the lesson. Manu's scarf. Manu loves her red scarf and her scarf loves her. So in this lesson, Manu likes her red scarf and her red scarf also loves Manu. Read and find out what happens to Manu's scarf on a windy day. So in this lesson, you are going to study what happens to Manu's scarf on a windy day. Tomorrow is Manu's birthday. She is trying on her new dress and red scarf. So because tomorrow is Manu's birthday, she is trying on her new dress and a red scarf. Manu has many scarves, but this is her favorite. So Manu has many scarves. What is scarf? That is a long thin piece of cloth which is made of wool that you wear around your neck to keep warm. This is called that piece of cloth to make you warm. This is called scarf. So Manu has got many scarves, but this is her favorite. That means the red scarf is her favorite scarf. Suddenly, she hears her mother's call. Go and play in the garden for some time. Suddenly, Manu's mother calls her and tells to go and play in the garden for some time. Manu changes her dress but leaves the scarf on. So she changes her dress and she leaves the scarf. It is windy, she says to herself. I must tie the scarf. So when she went to the garden, she found that it is very windy. So she said, I must tie the scarf. Now Manu is in the garden. She is enjoying herself. Manu is enjoying herself. She does not notice that her favorite scarf is slipping away. So while she was playing in the garden, she did not notice that her favorite scarf is slipping away. It is falling down. Now it is lying on the ground. So she did not notice that her scarf has fallen down, and now it is lying on the ground. Soon a strong wind blows the scarf away. Suddenly a strong wind blows the scarf away. It is now lying on the pavement. What is pavement? Pavement means the path on the side of the road is called the pavement. People are walking over it. See, people are walking on the scarf. Manu's favorite scarf is becoming dirty. See, people are walking on the pavement. So, Manu's scarf is also getting dirty. Suddenly, dark clouds cover the sky. So, what happened suddenly? It became dark. The dark clouds surrounded the sky. Manu runs into her house. So, Manu goes to a house. It starts raining. So it is raining. The rain washes Manu's scarf. So the rain is washing away Manu's scarf. It becomes clean. So what happened when the rain fell on Manu's scarf? The scarf became clean. So it becomes clean, but it is still wet. But Manu's scarf is still wet. In the morning, the rain stops. So what happens in the morning? In the morning, the rain stops. The sun comes out from the clouds. You can see the sun coming out from the clouds. It dries the red scarf. So what happened? The red scarf gets dried. I am now clean and dry, says the scarf to itself. So the scarf is telling to itself, I am now clean and dry. The scarf says to itself. Soon, another strong wind seized it. Suddenly, what happened? Another strong wind seized the scarf. What a beautiful scarf, says the wind. So, the wind is asking, the strong wind asks, what a beautiful scarf, says the wind. Let me blow it. So, the wind wants to blow the scarf. The scarf flies with the wind and lands on the fence. So, what happened? When the wind blew, the scarf flies with the wind and it lands on the fence. What is fence? A structure which is made of wood or metal is called fence. This fence is around a house. And where is this fence? This fence is around a house. It is Aradhi's house. So where is this fence? It is around a house and it is Aradhi's house. Arathi is Manu's best friend. So who is Manu's best friend? Arathi. Arathi is Manu's best friend. She is getting ready to go to Manu's party. Manu's party. See, Manu has kept a party. Arathi is getting ready to go for Manu's party in the evening. So it is in the evening. She has a big book of stories as a birthday gift for Manu. So Arathi has bought a big book of stories. It is a big book of stories as a birthday gift for Manu. Arathi bought a big book of stories as a birthday gift for Manu. It is in a brown paper bag. So this big gift is in this big book of stories. It is in a brown paper bag. Arathi wants to wrap it in a red color paper. So Arathi wants to wrap the book with a red color paper. What is the meaning of wrap? Wrap means to cover. Arathi wants to cover the book in a red color paper. She knows that red is Manu's favorite color because Arathi knows that red is Manu's favorite color. She can't find any red wrapping paper. So, but Arathi could not see. She could not find any red wrapping paper. She did not get any red wrapping paper. So, Arathi is very sad. So, Arathi is sad. Arathi leaves for the party with her mother. So, now Arathi is going for the party. She is going for Manu's birthday party with her mother. On her way, she sees a scarf on the fence. So, what did Arathi see? Because the scarf was lying on the fence of Aradhi's house, no? So on her way, she sees the scarf on the fence. Mummy, she says, look at the scarf there. It looks like Manu's favorite one. See? And she tells her mother, look that scarf over there. It looks like Manu's favorite scarf. Aradhi's mother takes the red scarf and ties it around the big book. What did Aradhi's mother do with the scarf? She took the red scarf and she tied it around the big book. She tied the red scarf around the big book. They reached Manu's house. Now Arathi and his mother is now at Manu's house. Arathi wishes Manu and gives her the gift. So what did Arathi do? She wishes Manu and gives her the gift. Manu looks at the gift in surprise. You can see Manu is looking at the gift in surprise. See, Manu is looking at the gift in surprise. What is this? She looks carefully at the scarf. She is asking, what is this? She looks carefully at the scarf. She is looking at the scarf. My favorite scarf, she screams in joy. She says that it is my favorite scarf. She screams in joy. She gives Arathi a hug. Hug means what? To put your arms around someone to show that you love him or her is called hug. She gives Arathi a hug and her mother a big smile. This is the best present I have ever got, says Manu, as she ties her favorite scarf and blows the birthday candle out. See, what did Arathi say? What did Manu say? This is the best present I have got, says Manu. Manu says that this is the best present that I have got, and she ties her favorite scarf. She's tying her favorite scarf and she blows the candle out. She blows the birthday candle. I am really happy today. And Manu says that she is very happy today because she got her favorite scarf. So am I, says the red scarf happily. So the red scarf also says I am also happy. So am I, says the red scarf happily. The moral of the lesson is be careful of your belongings. You should be very careful of your belongings. That is the moral of the lesson. I hope you all understood the story. Please read this story and please send your comments and please share this with your friends and relatives, and please follow me in my Instagram page also. I hope you all understood this lesson, and please subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in the next class. Until then, bye.